Hey, I'm Raj. You're at the right place if you want to learn computer networking. Hit subscribe button so you will be the first to know when I upload anything new. And in this video, I'm gonna take you through how to fix a laptop that won't turn on. So you people need to make sure that the cables are properly connected first. This might seem simple and obvious, but most issues with a laptop that won't turn on is from a power supply issue. A loose or unplugged power cable means your computer is not getting the required power it needs to run. So guys, you press the power button on your laptop and nothing happens. So it means that your laptop won't turn on. Don't be panic guys. Reasons might be a faulty power supply, a failed hardware, or a malfunctioning screen. And in many cases, you may be able to resolve the problem by yourself. First, check the power supply and battery. So, you people need to start by checking the power supply. There are quite a few issues you would have with the power supply. For example, the problem could be as simple as having the wrong charging cord, which means you are not getting the proper voltage, guys. Or it would be that the power supply has failed. So, to test if the power supply is the issue, completely remove your laptop battery. Then plug your laptop charger into a functioning outlet. You people need to make sure that you plug the laptop charger into a functioning outlet. If you can power on your laptop without the battery installed, the issue isn't the power supply, guys. It's with your battery. So you will need to buy a new one. But in the meantime, you can simply use AC power only. It's perfectly fine to use your laptop without the battery installed. It just means you will always have to plug into an outlet to use it. CMOS battery. So, one of the possible solution to test out is to replace the CMOS battery, guys. The CMOS battery stores the BIOS settings in the motherboard. So, this is especially if you are running an older laptop. So, if you are running an older laptop, then you need to check with your CMOS battery, guys. And even getting a new CMOS battery is very budget friendly to replace. Next, diagnose the screen issues. So you people need to make sure that you disconnect all of your non-essential external display devices like a projector and monitors to make sure they are not interfering with the startup process of your laptop, guys. When you press the power button, if you can hear fan or any other noises, but there isn't an image being displayed or an faint image is displayed, then the screen inverter has failed, guys. Or alternatively, your brightness button may be broken, or even the LCD panel could be broken. Next, you need to remove all devices from your laptop. So if you have left a memory card, DVD, or USB drive in your laptop, this could be a reason why your laptop doesn't power on, guys. It might be getting stuck because the BIOS may be trying to boot from a removable storage device. So you people need to remove all USB drives and other devices and then try to boot up your computer. Use a rescue disk. So guys, if you use a rescue disk, it allows you to boot your computer and fix any issues you may be having with the Windows operating system, guys. If a virus is the culprit behind your computer problems, the rescue disk will find it via scanning tools. So you can remove the offending malware. So you can remove the offending malware by using the scanning tools in the rescue disk, guys. Even you need to check the hardware of your laptop. The last step when diagnosing the power issue is to check your hardware, guys. So if you have recently installed hardware like a new RAM kit, that could be the cause of your boot issues. Remove and reinstall your new hardware and try to boot again. Unfortunately, sometimes the hardware in your laptop, such as your hard drive, simply fail, guys, and there is a no easy fix for that. So if you hear a clicking noise or the drive spinning but then powering down, this is a sign that your hard drive has failed. And in most cases, you need to simply replace your hard drive, guys. So these are all the fixes that you can do to your laptop if it doesn't turn on. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Raj, and for any queries you can get back to me at raj823sh472 at the gmail.com. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and don't forget to like this video.